Some shocking news for the Milady NFT collection and how it could affect the Milady Memecoin. Milady Memecoin holders, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, become a channel member. Been a minute since I did an update, been a few days. Again, guys, it's a meme coin. It's just an investment to have fun in. Like I said, I'll just be holding the 10 billion bag, which I think is a nice bag to have, and we'll see what happens going into the bull cycle, right? Good thing is though, it's holding up. The project, is holding up pretty well compared to the rest of the market, right? So we'll see what happens. Again, I really think what we need now is the team to do something, man, similar to Floki or Baby Doge. Baby Doge has a swap. Floki's working on a video game. Floki got listed on Binance as far as, time went by, which is very interesting, very bullish to see that, Binance has listed a new meme, right? Because it doesn't list memes often. So, it really is up to the team now because the community's there. It's really up to the team to do something, deliver something for the project so it could explode, or speculation as well, maybe with the NFTs gaining in popularity, projects that are surrounding the NFTs that are inspired by the NFTs could do well also, right? That is also the case. So NFT collection Milady exploited by developers stealing $1 million in fees. It's not good, man. Milady NFT creator Charlotte Fang said that Remilia easily identified the individuals involved in the exploit and will start legal action. Okay, so that's good. Milady Maker, a non-fungible token on Ethereum, has fallen victim to a major exploit involving the platform's fees and social media accounts. So, Charlotte Fang, co-founder of the Milady NFT collection, took to X on September 11th to announce that a developer in the Milady ecosystem has managed to divert about $1 million in generated fees from the Remilia Corporation. Remilia is a decentralized autonomous organization behind the Milady Maker NFT. The DAO saw its revenue compromised by Bonkler, its experimental finance art project created in April 2023, according to an announcement by Fang. The Bonkler Reserve's main contract and NFTs are safe, okay? It's pretty good. So it looks like the hacker got away with $1 million, right? But it's not like anything to jeopardize or hurt the NFT project. Only Remilia's revenue from Bonkler was compromised. Fang noted the creator emphasized that Remilia's reserves are unaffected and user assets are perfectly safe. Okay, well, it sucks that they lost $1 million, which could be used to help develop the project, right? But at least it wasn't anything too serious. Okay, that's good that it wasn't anything too serious, like people got scammed of their NFTs, they lost their NFTs. Recently I saw a tweet that recently on X, Vitalik got hacked, right? Vitalik got hacked and he put out a tweet in X stating, hey, click this link to this airdrop, and there's a ton of people that got their wallets drained. They lost their NFTs, CryptoPunks, Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, and I think some Milady NFTs as well. The hacker at the time who hacked Vitalik's Twitter got away with around $700,000, right? Again, the hackers in the space, the scammers are so all over the place, man. So be careful out there, guys. It's good to see that, even though they did lose a $1 million exploit, it's not like they lost their entire reserves or something like that. In addition to the fee reserves, the attacker has also seized code bases and coordinated with other team members in an attempt to seize control of Remilia's social media. Just like with Vitalik, man, so they could seize the control and probably do a phishing link or, do something else to, jeopardize the credibility of the project. According to Fan, the attackers managed to take over 3 X accounts, including Milady Maker and Millionaire. While Remilia Corp has been locked out, treat those 3 accounts as compromised until further notice. See, Fangs stated providing new official accounts including Remilio Corp 333, Milady Maker 333, and Remilio Babe. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the article. It's a good thing, even though you know, they did lose funds. It wasn't anything like extremely like beyond like all of a sudden the NFT project will fail, right? And again, speculation for the Milady Memecoin is that, you know, once the NFTs are doing well, maybe other projects surrounding it or are, you know, in that same limelight could see some success, right? Crypto love fastest growing communities, and we have ladies right here as number one, up here as the one of the fastest growing communities in the space. That is very bullish, man. From Garance, FUD equal moon. So which FUD can make us the most money? I suggest buying an NFT by Milady. Let's see why. Turmoil in the Milady Maker team. A 1 million hack at Milady Maker. According to the co-founder of Milady Maker, developing work on the NFT project managed to embezzle around 1 million in fees generated by Remilio. In addition, he attempted to take control of the social networks to the project. The developer also stole source code and attempted to take over the project's social networks with the help of 2 other team members. The individuals involved have been identified, and legal action will be taken to recover the stolen funds. Consistent drama to bring 2 collections to their bottom. We are still optimistic and bullish on the ecosystem of Milady Maker. The main collection has never been so cheap since the beginning of the year. And of course, there are also like derivatives of the project as well. So right now, the lowest price for one Milady NFT is 2.5 ETH, right? And again, my thought process is a lot of people can't afford 2.5 ETH for an NFT. So who's to say, man? As the project gains, as the NFTs gain more attention, the community-run project inspired by the NFTs could see attention in the future, man. So right here, Milady sitting at 22.67 million market cap, $2.3 million in 24-hour trade volume. And I gotta say, from the charts, guys, it's holding up pretty cool, man. It ain't doing too bad. I'll be honest with you. For a meme coin, the project is not doing too bad. Like, for example, Pepe, with all the recent situation with that happening with Pepe is doing a lot worse, man. Like, honestly, right? Even though the market cap is still under, you know, still over 300 million, like the price action just looks like it's ready to fall off a cliff, whereas Ladies is holding up pretty good, man. Honestly. And again, when the bull run is here, a lot of projects will go up with Bitcoin. I know that's for a fact, right? A lot of projects will start to absolutely crush it when Bitcoin and the Ethereum is crushing it. And again, a lot of new retail and a lot of new hands will finally get into the space, and they will be buying on tier 1 exchanges. They'll be buying projects tier 1 exchanges first. And I know retail investors, they more than likely, a lot of them will not go for use case projects first. They're gonna go to the memes, man. Just like in the last cycle, everybody was hyping all these meme coins like Shiba and all the other Kishu, Feg, Akita, you know, you name it, man. A ton of meme coins at the last cycle. Hoj, the last cycle absolutely crushed it, man. That's what a lot of retail investors go for. So you could see the same thing here with Milady Memecoin, guys. Again, the chart is holding up very well. Wallet distribution is great. That crypto.com listing, which is why I'm bullish on it, man. I think when retail gets into the space, they're gonna see some meme coins on crypto.com, easily accessed for, you know, US users to buy on crypto.com. A lot of people won't know about Uniswap and all that stuff. Gas fees will be super high, so they're gonna go to the, you know, tier 1 exchange meme coins first. And, you know, Pepe, Sheep, Doge, Ladies, right? I think they'll have a nice run going into the bull cycle. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll, you know, make a video and let you guys know. But again, the chart not doing too bad, man. Holding up pretty well. Not, you know, absolutely tanking, not absolutely sending, just in the middle, right? So it's nice to see. Nice to see. From C4, Ladies already have my first billion. I'm going to buy more. 6 hearts, 5 thumbs up for that. Nice to see, man. XD Games, Buy, ladies, and be sure that the price is well below expectations for the current market moment. The price variations between now and the end of 2023 are large. Ladies will end the year on a high, you can bet. So we have people really that do believe in the success of the project. Again, it's a meme. High risk, guys. High risk, high reward. Again, it's just a fun play for me. I see the communities, they're supporting the content as well. And you just never know what could happen going into the bull cycle, man. How you win is holding and not selling and letting the storm pass. The evidence is in all crypto charts. Hodl and live your life until the boom. 9 thumbs up for that. 4 hearts. BS easy music news. Ladies, news not good today, but ladies are still steady rising. Hodl, gotta love the ladies. Again, active community, man. They're super engaged. And that's what you like to see for meme coin projects, man. Ladies, would be nice if there were a few more digits shown on CoinMarketCap. I don't have to go anywhere else to get the actual price. Maybe someday over the rainbow they'll change it. And again, like I said, there's a huge space that is basically just crypto.com investors, right? They only invest on crypto.com, and that number will continue to grow, in my opinion. 80 million users on crypto.com right now. Imagine if that doubles. I think a lot of projects on crypto.com will absolutely crush it, man. Like that's my thought process, right? And I think the meme coins will absolutely crush it. There's only like 5 memes on there, 3 to 5 memes, and Milady Memecoin is one of them, right? So that's my game theory, that's my thesis, and we'll see if it plays out. Milady Memecoin fam, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. 10x to 100x for Milady Memecoin. I wouldn't rule it out, man. I really wouldn't. You just never know in this space. Sincerely appreciate all the support. Share the videos with your friends and family. Become a channel member. Tune into the live streams. I'll catch you guys in the next one.